Welcome to Rustbusters Installation Guide for GM's 1994 to 2004 S10 and Sonoma. Before you begin, if you are uncomfortable performing any of these procedures, we strongly suggest seeking a qualified professional. Make sure you have all required tools and utilities. Follow all manufacturer safety precautions. Step 1. Disconnect the vehicle's battery. Inspect for fire hazards such as leaking fuel lines or engine components. Repair or remove any hazards before starting. Step 2. Remove the fuel tank and disconnect the fuel lines to clear the work area. Step 3. Remove the factory fuel tank support bracket by unbolting it or cutting the bolts if they are rusted. Step 4. Grind the mounting area to bare metal and remove all rust and debris. Step 5. Paint the replacement support before installation. We recommend our Rust Buster Rust Converter and Primer Spray Paint. Step 6. Install the support using the included M12 hex bolts and M12 lock nuts. The M12 bolts use a 16mm socket, and the M12 nuts use an 18mm wrench. Finally, reinstall the fuel tank and reconnect all fuel lines.